Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact Ford GT model year and VIN because compatibility is everything. Once done, pull the service manual and wiring diagrams. Next, gather tools: OBDRoman2 adapter, basic hand tools, safety gloves and eye protection, and a camera to log connectors. Immediately call the OEM dealer and nearby salvage yards to check inventory. Make sure you have title, ID, and written permission if the car is not yours. This avoids legal delays and speeds access to the unit. Once you have leads, verify the Interception Unit part number and compare harness connectors visually, plus firmware and label details. You want an exact match. You should search dealer part systems, salvage auctions, OEM exchanges, and specialty Ford GT forums for a trustworthy seller. Ask for unit history, mileage, crash damage, and what ECUs were paired to it, because pairing matters. If possible, get photos of mating plugs and solder joints, and confirm return policy before purchase so you can avoid incompatibility. You should bench test, and if needed, flash the Interception unit with the correct firmware before you touch the car. This prevents being stuck mid-install. During installation, follow the calibration, immobilizer sync, and ECU pairing procedures exactly, because these steps enable communication across modules. After reassembly, run a full scan and road test. If something goes wrong, check grounds and the CAN bus wiring first. Poor ground or miswired, CAN is the most common cause of no communication faults and can be fixed quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.